started. Drivers behind the lines, and 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, we are underway here. Match number 26. Blue Alliance quickly scored 2 coral up high. 6,002, that's Robotics grabbing some algae here in Autonomous, missing their first attempt. Meanwhile, here comes Techno Talon scoring another coral up high for the Red Alliance. Red Alliance with 5 coral scored up high. Our Blue Alliance looks like they got 6. They're going to have a 1-point lead, 49-48 early on here in Teleop. Robotics feeding algae through that processor on the red side of the field. Here comes 83-93 scoring at level 3 for the Blue Alliance. 29-76 scoring at level 2. Blue Alliance starting to work all 3 levels of that reef. Looks like no more algae going through the processor. No, here comes Robotics there, the team out of Kalamazoo, Michigan, feeding another one through the processor. Their partners now, 6510 and 9105, still working on that Red Alliance reef. Looks like they have enough for 1 level completed towards that coral ranking point. That one should be enough. No, they're missing 1 more, level 3, in order to get a 2nd level complete. Meanwhile, our Blue Alliance quickly working on levels. They already have 2 complete as they're starting to work on level 2 now. 133-110 with just over a minute left to play here in match 26. Texas Torque heading back to that loader station, dropping that coral. They're going to have to pick it up off the ground. They're going to head over. They're starting to work on level 1. That'll be the last level they need in order to get the coral ranking point. Blue with 3 of 4 levels completed. Red Alliance still with 2 levels completed as they're starting to work on levels 1 and 2. 6510. Pimble Pride trying to work on level 1 and 3. Techno Talons going back for the Red Alliance. They're loaded up. They're starting to work on level 2. 152-165. Red Alliance starting to inch their way back into this one. That sound means we are in the end game portion of match number 26. It's a 10-point lead for the Blue Alliance. These hangs will help make the difference. Techno Talons heading back, trying to get hooked on. Up goes 83-93, having some problems getting off the ground though. Texas Torque's off the ground for the Blue Alliance as we have 2 red robots off the ground as time expires in match 26. And it's going to be the Blue Alliance coming out on top. Final score 191-187. Blue Alliance getting all 6 ranking points. Red Alliance getting 2.